Geometry Product video training bypass feeders. So we're going to talk about installation. And installation really is based best on filters and filter media, if you're using a filter. So if you're not using a filter, or if you're using a pleated filter, which you can see this one is a little bit different, it's got the pleats in it. Your flow on installation should be inlet is the low end, outlet is the upper end. If you're not using a filter, same thing. And the reason being is that when we add chemical to this, water is typically going to be lighter than it's going to settle out. Is that when the water goes up through, it mixes it a little bit before it's just pushed out. If you put it the other way, typically it just forces the chemical in its concentrated value the fastest, pushes it straight out. Not that it's harmful for you, but in our opinion, it helps already start the mixing process. It just works a little bit better. So pleated filter flow is here into the slots, out the top, and then out the thing there. Okay? Sock filters, what you see right here, in the sock filter version, flow is in here through and out through the purse and then out the bottom. So you'll see that your flow for a sock filter has to be in the top and out the bottom. Your flow pattern is this way. Standard flow pattern is this way. Pleated flow pattern still is that way. Okay, so that's why we don't typically mop them, or we don't mark them, because it's going to depend on the version that you put in. These can always be added in the field, so make sure that if you intend to add a filter in it one day, make sure that you put the right flow pattern on it based on the filter you intend to install.